the Explorer. What does that mean? What the fuck does that mean? Alright, but anyway guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm CeeKay. And yeah, so today, as you guessed, we're playing Ratchet Clank Rift Apart. This is like part 5 or something, I think. I mean, I haven't played this game in quite a long time. Void Repulsor, that looks actually pretty cool. What does it do? No, you can't tell me that doesn't sound like chaos, though. Yeah, I don't know if it's really that good. And it's expensive as shit. There's all of these things, which I don't really need. Negatron thing. Alright. And now, we're right where we left off. Which is, I have no idea where. Oh yeah, I remember. So we were on that thing, I think. And then the little robot bitch on my back went beast mode and killed every single one of them. Is there, how do I check where I'm supposed to go? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I was gonna go into the rocket ship. Bro, I'm stuck. Alright. Finally, into the rocket ship. I don't know why, but my eyes are burning, bro. Where are you supposed to go? Optional. Now we gotta do.
Let's build us a dimensionator.
Oh, wait.
Good to me.
Build us. Wait, so we're building the dimensionator now? No way. We got everything. These scenes actually look pretty cool though. This looks just like the end of Subnautica. Like the shot.
This
What the hell was that? My PS5 just growled.
Pretty cool, right? And just think, once we forge
no
this
shit
thing
is
and
ocean.
save the dimension, you'll have a whole
I mean, it's pretty
universe to
rare
explore.
in real life to see it on the ocean.
with all of its unknowns.
I do get. You asked me on Savali if I wanted to find my family. For a long time, I did. I mean, I really did. But the closer I got to doing that, what if they're not what I expected? What if I'm not what they expected? Anyways, I think we're here.
Alright.
The only Rubion forge strong enough to build the dimensionator.
So it's our only shot.
Can they shut up and let me speak? Oh shit, there's people here.
Praise the Emperor and engage the lockdown. Engage the city immediately.
I completely forgot that I had guns and everything.
That better not be the only way into the station.
Where the hell did my other gun go? Let's go.
Guess we're not getting in the front door with this lockdown.
Can we look around?
Oh, bro, are you serious?
There must be another way in.
I should be able to go up. Yeah, so there's them here. They hype all of them up, and then you can just like defeat them in like 3 smashes. Blaze on.
Why does it look? I knew it.
What does that do?
Check if the other dimension has a working elevator.
Oh, it changes the dimension. Wait, that's sick. It's like a snow dimension. Why does it go down?
If it helps, Ratchet. I have never met my family either.
Oh.
Unless you can.
When you're a robot, do you really even have a family?
You cannot do any worse.
Probably not. But even if the Lombaxes are the best family ever, they could still be disappointed in me.
How? You are a hero.
I've hit a few bad guys, sure, but they invented so many brilliant things.
You sell yourself short.
Maybe, but I have a good life in my dimension, Kit, and I don't want to
Bro,
risk it.
there's only like two of you. There's only like the Rivet, like the girl version of him.
If Kagara's
Then there's
station
Ratchet.
exists in this dimension, do you think the Rubion
Isn't
Forge
that the
does too?
Raritarium? Yeah,
Possibly.
nice Raritarium and
But with the
stuff.
state of everything here, who knows if it would work?
Maybe our best bet then is to find some more Blizon and head back to the other dimension.
Is the blaze on the purple stuff? Alright, let's go. The fuck are you?
I thought you were someone else, but you're not.
Oh, it looks like the thing from Portal.
I'm Ratchet.
The British guy.
Great. Hello, Ratchet. Were you looking for me? That would be great too. Ooh, can I call you Chet?
No. And no. I'm looking for some Blizon.
Oh, I know just the place. But I lost my access arm in all of this water. Have to drain it, but how, Ratch? How?
Calm down. I'll handle it.
Flooding. They would likely keep the pump controls somewhere high. Oh,
What? It's one of those things. Oh, I forgot I had to hold it.
We're
That it has not worked forever. It could make the funnest squares.
Okay, yeah, whatever. So this is some sort of puzzle thing.
You did it, Rat-a-tat.
Oh wait, no, it just works. It's no puzzle.
My favorite arm. This way. My key need a way to easily and safely press buttons. Yes.
what?
But please on. Oh, there is an elevator that will take us to one of those delightfully glowing crystals.
The fuck is that?
What is that?
That is Juice, my best friend. He tries to sometimes, but he is a great listener.
He tries to kill you?
If you become friends too, you can call him Juicy or Juicy or JC. Oh, that is a swell nickname.
What the hell is wrong with this thing?
See? Elevator. Bam! Now let me just press the button with the old access arm. No. My access arm. It no longer works. It is just an arm now. What kind of madness is... Oh, my power's out. We just need to find a way to turn it back on.
Leave it to
Damn,
us, junk
fuck's
body.
sakes.
I will just stay down.
So I can just do it like that?
There we go.
No, he still hits me. Yeah, I'm coming now. Let's go. I'm in. Let's go. Oh, there's that thing. I mean, I don't really call that a friend, bro.
You. I am jealous.
Oh wait, there was a thing there.
There it is.
Yeah, there it is, yeah.
Favorite Blizon in all of the station. I love the way it sparkles after you stare at it for 6 hours.
Was that what it was always supposed to do?
Where did you come from?
Wait, so this is the shit place. This is the good place. Oh wait, it's the same thing. Kinda.
What are you doing here?
That's actually a funny story.
Was I talking to you?
You are talking to me.
We are under lockdown.
Bro, I sorta don't
You
like
and your
her
steed.
when she's in this mode.
I am inspecting your facility and how white it is and orange because I am an interior decorator, first class. And the Emperor wanted this redecoration to be a surprise for you and your team. But now, you ruined it.
I would never do that to the Emperor. Please come in and consider my memory banks deleted.
Bro, what the fuck?
Nice save.
Oh, it's just this thing. Easy. What is she doing?
Schematics uploaded.
What do we got?
Oh, shoot it. Why is it a kill switch?
I see.
Are you winging this?
Come on.
Is that the right button?
You ran the forge with auxiliary power only? The main power button was right there!
Ah, just running a stress test. Let me see. Yes, everything is breaking correctly.
Let's get out of here before...
Let's go. Why did it sound so weird? No, it's a fight now.
Greetings, intruder. Let us escort you to the biology wing. You would be perfect for us.
It is you.
How barbaric.
And it's dead.
Interior decorators! How could you fall for such a stupid mistake? The intruders are slimes and
Let's not run right past them.
That's our way out!
I thought I can just drift around them, they can't even hit me.
We need to find a way to escape.
So I have to waste this. You're fucking kidding me, bro. Oh, I forgot about the bolt. Yeah, it was that simple. I completely forgot the bolt was there.
What do we do now? That was the only ruby on forge that could make the dimensionator.
Oh shit. Where's the forge? Oh, it is you.
Junkbot! What would it take to get your Rubion Forge working again?
Well, there is the power issue. With the power gone, some kind of nasty virus has infected the system. Nothing will work until it is cleared.
I think I have just a friend who can help with that.
What? Oh, the spider bot
All
thing.
yours, Glitch.
Alright, let's go. No, I actually hate her voice though.
This dimension has viruses too?
Yeah, no shit, all of them do. Oh, it's just open. What the fuck is happening? Easy. Where's this one? That one's dead. This one's dead. Now it's the last one. Last few. Across the map. Easy. Broken, she shut up. The little chompies. Let's go. Alright, then she does this. Oh, well, I did it, so we're fine. Does let me make the dimensionator thing?
Thank you.
Great work, you two. You are all clear to power up the forge.
How do we do that?
By finding the power source. Last I saw it was down
Oh,
the
fuck's
stairs past
sakes.
the pressure door, but
Is Junkbot messing with us?
I don't know, but if the power source really is missing, we could grab the one in the other dimension.
The one with an entire station looking for us?
Until we have a better solution.
Oh,
Now, let's find us some
Okay.
liaison.
where? Yeah, down there. Oh, that's the thing, right?
Slurpee on jelly? You must be hungry. Quick, now is our chance to escape.
Oh, wait. go.
You know, for some reason, the dimension where the whole station's
The next blast door.
Look at that
But
one.
it seems very locked.
Say we'll lock one,
follow
2.
those cables above us. Maybe we can power down the locks.
I
Alright.
think you are right. This time.
Just do the
There's
thing.
a research log. Let us watch.
What the fuck is he saying?
What are you guys doing? You're hurting us! Stop! Stop this right now! Stop!
That was Jumpbot?
And I think he was talking about juice.
What about him? Bro, he's there. He's right there. Let's go.
This lock's controlled by a bolt crank. Guess they didn't get around to upgrading this room.
Oh shit. Where the hell does this go? What am I supposed to do? Now do I turn this thing? Oh shit.
It's our cue.
Now what? Is that it?
All right. If I were Blazon, where would I be?
I don't know. Go to the other dimension again. And now it's fucking flooded.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Luckily, my O2 filtrator still works.
And risking a good life. I had a good life on Savali.
Oh.
It was peaceful,
Uh.
quiet, even joyful. So when you asked to become partners, I did not want to risk things either.
Alright.
But I am glad I did.
Yeah, that's pretty useless. Unless I actually need a jump. Is he still behind me? Yeah, he's up there. Oh, what the fuck? There's crabs. Alright. Does the door open? I mean, it's got the airlock thing. Oh, and now we can go back to the other dimension. You're there.
Come on.
It looks exactly like the white spikes from the like Tomorrow movie. Like Tomorrow War. These guys are still after me.
There's an increased magnetic field here.
We just decorate the floor with them.
Oh, they still want me. I mean, I sort of found it. Oh wait, the power source is him. Now they're gone, now I can do it, right? No, there's more.
The power source is juice?
Yeah, no shit.
We should free him. Look at what they put him through. No wonder he is so angry.
Do we come in peace, big guy?
Now what?
Is that a happy hiss or an angry hiss?
Gentles to have hope today.
He's helping us? He's helping us! Man, that's a relief.
Alright, let's go.
We've got incoming juice! You can even understand me? Finally bringing in the big guns, huh? Oh, that's a lovely
Elite
gun.
security detail. Oh, it's another one of those things. Wait, then what do I use? Wait, he's almost killed him. Oh yeah, but it's one at a time.
Hey,
Well, he's overpowered.
you wouldn't happen to know another way to power up the Rubion Forge, would ya?
Does he want us to follow him?
Yeah, no shit.
The breeze on. He wants to come with us.
Any place is better than here, right? Maybe he can help us power the forge after all.
Why does he look like that though?
Come on. The Rubion Forge is upstairs.
Come on, JC.
Not
It's
another
me,
juice.
Good old JB.
Now there's two juices. Now they mate. I knew it, bro. All they wanted was friends. And now we did it, right? Let's go.
Schematics uploaded.
Did it work?
No. Bro, look at him. Oh, she's like a little baby. Let's go to the dimensionator. We got it back, but somehow I'm only like 25% into the game.
You are.
Probably even less. I mean, like, is he really though? Wait, so I got the dimensionator, right? It's
Right,
loose.
We just need to get back to our ship now.
Just need to get back to the ship.
We did it, Ratchet. We built the
Let's
dimension.
go.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay,
we
at least
did,
it's
huh?
fast.
Hey, being a team isn't so bad after all.
Cause last time was slow as shit and they had to do their whole stupid
But
speech.
we will. We'll have to set a course for Zerkies so we can meet up with Rivet and Clank when they're done.
Oh. How do I meet someone?
What are you talking
no.
about? You met me, and that went great.
I fell off the archives
Oh
and
shit.
and screamed.
And don't overthink it.
Don't overthink it.
Okay, so where do we go
Okay.
next? Or does it just go? Oh, it just goes.
You hear that?
No, it's not. It's him.
That's the sound of me destroying lies. Dirty, filthy lies. They say
Alright.
this dimension is unstable. We're being sucked into a formless void. Ah, false. Think otherwise? I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax Vandals have not escaped. How could
And now
they
what?
if... Ah! I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is...
He sounds so stupid.
57 squadrillion Nefarabox.
What the fuck is that?
Look at it all. So big, so real, so totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes!
Your nefarious seems as obscenely awful
Fucking
as
hell.
ours.
Yeah, he's
So,
something else.
find phase warts to power it. And then, is that it? Yeah, so find phase quartz. Alright. But anyway guys, I think that is gonna be it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, fuck you. But yeah, smash that subscribe button to become part of the Before 300 gang. Because currently we're at 250, and I'm hoping that we can get 300 let's say before April. So yeah, let's try to get to 300 before April. And one more thing, smash the like button for more Ratchet and Clank. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Just leave a comment down below if you want on anything. I don't even care. It just makes me happy to see a comment, even if I don't understand what you're saying. But yeah. Anyways, I'm CeeKay, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.